So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to McArthur's Industry. I'm Todd McArthur. I'm here from All-Brand Caravan Service today. In one of our clients' vans where what we're getting a lot of and a lot of call of is some top quality vans. We're in a bush tracker van today and we see the Kedge and stuff like that, where they're starting to get some of the vans that are still fantastic in what they are, but they're getting a little bit of years on top of them where they've had the different setups over the times, and we're looking at doing different setups for the clients and upgrading their vans. And this is coming from new vans to older vans, but what we want to try and do is let you guys know that it's quite an easy thing to do with the right products out there. So this gentleman on that side, he has actually had AGM batteries in. He's gone to a lithium battery setup, looking at that. Also going through where he's looked at some Bluetooth connectivity, where Victron app for his solar side of things, and also a Victron app for his battery management case. So nothing a major setup for here. So this is quite a minute one of what we do, from where there's other ones where we've put 600 amp hours of lithium in it, to DC chargers, to large inverter chargers as well. So there's a lot can be done out there in the marketplace, but just there's things like this that you need done. Come down and see us. We're going to do some videos more about this, some more educational videos on our YouTube channel. So please, if you're looking at that sort of things, probably go through and subscribe to that there. Also, there's a few competitions coming up at the same time. So have a look at it. But there's different people we work with. We work with our Red Arcs, we work with our Energize, we work with our Victrons, we work with our BM Pros, and all these sort of guys to give you the best aspects of what you need for the setup that's already in your van, or to change over your van too. So think about that, and we're here, we look after those people. We're actually authorised repair agents for all these guys, so come down and see us and we're going to look after and help you out. Have a great day and speak to you soon. Thank you, bye.